Welcome everybody. So this is going to be a very short video. I'll start right away. I'll tell you how to use in keywords with lists. So let's say I have a list of my favorite Bollywood movies, namely say Rockstar, great, and then I have ZNMD. I'll have Barfi here, and I'll have Tamasha here. Great. Now, how to use in keywords in list is, for example, for I in sorry, I'm not for loop. If let's say Rockstar in my list faves, then I would like to print the statement that states that Rockstar is one of my favorite movies. Great. And otherwise I would like to state that print Rockstar is not there in list. Okay, so what it does is it will check that this string Rockstar is present inside faves, and if this condition is true, it means if the Rockstar present inside the list of faves, then it will print this Rockstar is one of my favorite movies, and otherwise it will print me Rockstar is not there in list. So if I run this code, you can see it is printing me Rockstar is one of my favorite movies. Now let's say I go here and I'll copy this code here. Now I change this Rockstar to, let's say, a beautiful movie Soul, and if Soul is in faves, then I would like to print Soul is one of my favorite movie. Otherwise I would say here Soul is not there in list. So in list, sorry, if I do this, now it will say that Soul is not there in list because it is not there in list. But now if I add the Soul here like that, this result will change. Soul is one of my favorite movies. So this is very simple how to use in keyword in list. So this is all about this video. Thank you for joining.